Hi, today I'll show you how to easily put back or replace the ear pad cushions on the Audio-Technica ATH-M20x headphones. This method also works for the M30X, M40X, and M50X models. To reattach a fallen-off ear pad, simply stretch the edge of the ear pad and put in place as much of the ear pad edge as possible inside the headphone groove. Then, hold the inserted part of the ear pad in place on both sides and gently pull the remaining edge into the headphone groove. Always keep the part you've already inserted held firmly in place. Otherwise, it may slip out and you'll never finish putting the pad back on. If you want to replace old or damaged ear pads, just remove the old ones by gently pulling pads off from the groove. When the new ear pads arrive, stretch their edge slightly and install them in the same way, by inserting the pad's edge into the headphone groove. It's really that easy. I hope you can do it without needing your grandmother's help. Good luck!